Hello everybody, welcome to Short Shot Archery. Anthony here, and in this video we're going to see what an arrow can do to some packs of cards, and maybe even a single card. I think it'll be pretty cool if I can catch an arrow, basically slicing a card, or at least punching through the center of a single card. I think it'll be pretty sweet under a high-speed camera. Now, the bow I'm going to be using is a 46-pound Olympic recurve. And I'm going to be shooting Easton X10 arrows with Short Shot Archery tungsten points. It's about a 300 grain arrow, and it's going to come out of the bow at around 200 feet per second. It'll definitely be pretty close to that since we're going to be doing this at pretty short range. Alright, so that was pretty cool. It actually just carried it right off the stand I had there, and it's actually in the target pretty good, a couple inches. That was pretty sweet. I'm going to go and break out some cards from the other pack I have, because this one got shot twice now, and see if I can get some neat shots of arrows either coming closer. Hopefully I can actually get an arrow to slice into a card. A single card would be great. It's going to be a little bit tough with these type of points since they're, target points and not broadheads or something like that. But I'm going to give it a try. Hopefully I get some really cool shots out of it that I can share with you guys. So for the grand finale, I have 5 cards here: King, Queen, Jack, Joker, and the Ace, and we're just gonna see how the arrow plows through them all. I think it's gonna look pretty cool. I'm gonna be videoing it from the side here, so hopefully it kind of pushes and collects them all and then stabs them into the target, but we'll find out together. So that's arrow versus playing cards. Hope you found it as interesting as I did. It was really cool watching all those shots and how the arrow affects the cards, from single cards to a whole bunch lined up to just an entire pack, the force behind an arrow. Pretty sweet. Stay tuned for more videos. If you have any ideas on what you want to see me shoot next, let me know in the comments section down below. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. I have to refletch my arrows, and as always, happy shooting.